Good morning, students. Today, in the continuation of chapter 2, we will introduce exercise 2.2. Okay, in 2.2, value of a polynomial in any point means any value of x. What is px? Okay, the value of polynomial px at x is equal to a is pa. It is obtained by replacing x by a in the given polynomial. Let's example. The value of px x cube plus x plus 3 at x is equal to 1. It means where is x, put x is equal to 1 and find the value. P1 is equal to x cube. It means 1x cube and 1 x1 and 3. Okay, 1 cube 1, this is 1 and this is 3. P1 is equal to 5. It means this polynomial at x is equal to 1 having 5 value. Okay, and another example, x is equal to 2. Putting x is equal to 2 in this polynomial, P2 is equal to 2 cube and 2 plus 3. 2 cube, that is 8 plus 2 plus 3, 10 and 13. It means if x is equal to 2, then P2 is equal to 13. Similarly, if x is equal to 0, then P0 is equal to 0 plus 0 plus 3. Okay, 0 plus 0 plus 3, it is only 3. And negative value, x is equal to minus 1. Putting x is equal to minus 1, so P minus 1 is equal to minus 1 cube plus minus 1 plus 3. Minus 1 cube, negative value, and minus 1 and plus 3. It means minus 2 plus 3, that is only 1. It means if we put x is equal to minus 1, this polynomial having value 1. Understood? It means x की आपको जो भी वैल्यू गिवन है आपको पॉलिनोमियल में पुट करनी है और कैलकुलेट करके वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. नाउ zeros of polynomial. Let px be a polynomial if value of polynomial at x is equal to a, that is pa is equal to 0, then a is the zeros of polynomial. Okay, it means any value, in any polynomial, which value we put replacing x, then we get 0. It means हमें चाहिए p0 is equal to 0 and given that px is equal to x plus 3, px is equal to 0. Px is equal to 0, then x plus 3 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 3. It means if I put minus 3 in this polynomial, I get px is equal to 0. Let's see. X is equal to minus 3 and this is plus 3. These are cut and px is equal to 0. It means वो वैल्यू जिस पर हमारे px की वैल्यू 0 हो जाती है, मीन्स x की वो वैल्यू जिस पर px 0 हो जाता है, वो zeros of polynomial होता है. Okay. Another example, if px is equal to 7x plus 5, and what is the zeros of this polynomial? Px is equal to 0, 7x plus 5 is equal to 0, 7x is equal to minus 5, x is equal to minus 5 upon 7. This is the zeros of polynomial. Okay. In this x इज इक्वल टू a, इट मीन्स x की वैल्यू हमें पुट करनी थी और p x की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी थी, एंड जीरोज में px इज इक्वल टू 0 पुट करना है आपको. ओके, दैट इज द डिफरेंस. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट एक्सरसाइज 2.2. Find the value of a polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at x is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 2. It means this is a polynomial and we have to find p0, p minus 1 and p2. Okay, so first of all this is the polynomial and x is equal to 0, putting this value in this and find the value p3. Similarly, putting x minus 1, okay, so p minus 1, 5 minus 1 minus 4 minus 1 square plus 3. 5 multiply minus 1, we get minus 5, and minus 1 square, that is plus 1. Plus 1 multiply by 4, we get 4, plus 3. Okay, minus 9 plus 3, that is minus 6. And similarly, x is equal to 2, putting this value and find the answer. Find p0, p1, p2 for each of the following polynomial. It means this is a given polynomial and we have to find p0. It means putting x is equal to 0, p1, that is putting x is equal to 1, and p2 putting x is equal to 2. Okay, so p0, first p0, 0 square plus 0 plus 1, it means only 1. p1, 1 square minus 1 plus 1, 1 minus 1, only 1. 2 square, 2 plus 1, it means 2 square 4 minus 2 plus 1. Okay, 4 minus 2, 2 plus 1, it is 3. And these the question, means one question में आपको 0 पुट करना है, 1 पुट करना है and 2 पुट करना है और 3 वैल्यूज फाइंड करनी है. So solve these 3 questions. Now next question, question number 3. Verify the following are the zeros, the polynomial against them. Means this is the polynomial and this is the zero. हमें ये verify करना है ये इसका 0 है या नहीं है. If putting x is equal to minus 3 in this polynomial, if we get 0 then yes, otherwise no. So putting x is equal to minus 1 upon 3. 3x plus 1. It means 3 multiply minus 1 upon 3 plus 1. Minus 1, okay, so 3 से 3 cut, only minus 1 plus 1, we get 0. It means we p minus 1 upon 3 get 0. It means this is the polynomial, zeros of this polynomial. Similarly, 5x minus pi and x is equal to 4 upon 5. This value put in this and if we get px is equal to 0 then yes, otherwise no. So 5 multiply 4 upon 5 minus pi. Okay, 5 से 5, 4 minus pi. This is not 0. So this is the not the polynomial of this. Similarly, x is equal to minus 1 upon 3 and x is equal to 2 upon 3. First, x is equal to minus 1 upon 3. Put this value and find the answer. And similarly, 2 upon 3. Put this value and find the answer. From minus 1 upon 3 we get 0 and from 2 upon 3 we not having 0. So this is the polynomial of this and this is not the polynomial of this. Now next question. Find the zeros of the polynomial in each of the following case. Px is equal to x plus 5. Okay, so px is equal to 0, x plus 5 is equal to 0, x को transpose करेंगे, x is equal to minus 5. And similarly solve these questions. So complete exercise 2.2. Thank you.